Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious 3-bean salad, step by step. This classic dish is perfect for picnics or a light side. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 different types of canned beans, like green beans, kidney beans, and garbanzo beans, all rinsed and drained. Also, have on hand some apple cider vinegar, olive oil, a bit of sugar, and your seasonings. Don't forget fresh red onion and parsley for that vibrant flavor. Now, let's create the tangy dressing that brings this salad to life. In a medium bowl, whisk together your apple cider vinegar, olive oil, a touch of sugar, salt, and black pepper. Make sure everything is well combined until the sugar dissolves. This dressing provides the perfect balance of sweet and sour. While the dressing is resting, thoroughly rinse and drain your canned beans. This step is crucial for removing excess sodium and improving the texture. With your beans prepped and dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your rinsed green beans, kidney beans, and garbanzo beans. Add the finely chopped red onion and fresh parsley. Now, pour the delicious dressing you just made over the bean mixture. Gently toss all the ingredients until they are thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. After chilling for at least 2 hours, your 3-bean salad is ready to be served. The flavors will have deepened and melded, creating a truly refreshing dish. Give it a gentle stir before serving to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed. This salad is a fantastic side for grilled meats, sandwiches, or as a light lunch. For more great recipes and kitchen tips, check out the description below for links to other deals and resources, including the new Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your homemade 3-bean salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.